Rice Weevil on a Grain of Rice wins 2025 Nikon Small World contest, a close-up look at nature's intricacies. A breathtaking image of a rice weevil perched on a single grain of rice has claimed the top prize in the 2025 Nikon Small World Photomicrography contest. This captivating photograph, captured by Zhang You from Yunnan, China, offers a unique glimpse into the intricate details and behavior of a well-known agricultural pest. It's not just a stunning image. It's a scientific masterpiece that showcases the beauty and complexity of the natural world under a microscope. Yu's expertise in entomology, the study of insects, and his mastery of lighting techniques played a pivotal role in creating this award-winning piece. He emphasizes the importance of understanding insect behavior and the art of lighting to produce exceptional photomicrographs. A standout work blends artistry with scientific rigor, capturing the very essence, energy, and spirit of these creatures, he states. The image's success also had a touch of serendipity. You had previously observed rice weevils on grains, but had never witnessed one with its wings spread. This particular weevil was naturally preserved on a windowsill, perhaps in a final attempt to escape. Its minuscule size made it incredibly challenging to manually prepare spread-wing specimens, making the discovery all the more fortuitous and inspiring. Nikon's prestigious annual contest, established in 1974, aims to showcase the beauty and complexity of objects viewed through light microscopes. Photomicrography, a technique that involves attaching a camera to a microscope, has a rich history dating back to Richard Hill Norris, a British physiologist who used it to study blood cells in 1850. Since the 1970s, it has gained recognition as an art form, with technological advancements, particularly digital imaging, revolutionizing the field. This year's contest highlights the incredible advancements in photomicrography, where photographers can capture the unseen wonders of nature, from the intricate structures of insects to the microscopic world of cells. As the contest continues to evolve, it invites photographers to explore the boundaries of scientific imaging, blending art and science to reveal the hidden beauty of the natural world.